Class 6 Social Science Civics Term 2 Unit 1 National Symbols Evaluation Revision. Good morning, children. Have a wonderful day. Let us revise. Book back evaluation. Roman letter 1. Choose the correct answer. Question 1. The national song Vande Matram was composed by dash. The options are A. Pingali Vengayya. Option B. Rabindranath Tagore. Option C. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Option D. Gandhiji. Correct answer. Option C. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Question 2. Which is the national anthem of India? The options are A. Janagana Mana. Option B. Vande Matram. Option C. Amar Sonar Bangla. Option D. Neerarum Kadaludathu. Correct answer. Option A. Janagana Mana. Question 3. Who wrote the most famous novel Anand Mat? The options are A. Akbar. Option B. Rabindranath Tagore. Option C. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Option D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Correct answer. Option C. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Question 4. Dash birthday is celebrated as the International Day of Non-Violence. The options are Option A. Mahatma Gandhi. Option B. Subhash Chandra Bose. Option C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Option D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Correct answer. Option A. Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 5. The color of the Ashoka Chakra found in our national flag is dash. The options are Option A. Sky blue. Option B. Navy blue. Option C. Blue. Option D. Green. Correct answer. Option B. Navy blue. Question 6. The first flag ever flown after the independence is stored in. The options are A. Chennai Fort Museum. Option B. Delhi Museum. Option C. Sarnath Museum. Option D. Kolkata Museum. Correct answer. Option A. Chennai Fort Museum. Question 7. The national anthem was written by dash. The options are A. Devendranath Tagore. Option B. Bharatiyar. Option C. Rabindranath Tagore. Option D. Bala Gangadhar Tilak. Correct answer. Option C. Rabindranath Tagore. Question 8. The time taken to play the national anthem is dash. Options are A. 50 seconds. Option B. 52 minutes. Option C. 52 seconds. Option D. 20 seconds. Correct answer. Option C. 52 seconds. Question 9. Vande Matram was first sung by dash at the 1896 session of the National Congress. The options are A. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Option B. Rabindranath Tagore. Option C. Mahatma Gandhi. Option D. Sarojini Naidu. Correct answer. Option B. Rabindranath Tagore. Question 10. Dash hoist the flag on Independence Day in Delhi. The options are A. The Prime Minister. Option B. The President. Option C. Vice President. Option D. Any political leader. Correct answer. Option A. The Prime Minister. Roman letter 2. Fill in the blanks. Question 1. The national emblem was adopted from the Ashoka pillar of dash. Correct answer. Sarnath. The national emblem was adopted from the Ashoka pillar of Sarnath. Question 2. The national fruit of India is dash. Correct answer. Mango. The national fruit of India is mango. Question 3. The national bird of India is dash. Correct answer. Peacock. The national bird of India is peacock. Question 4. Our national tree is the dash. Correct answer. The banyan tree. Our national tree is the banyan tree. Question 5. The flag which was flown in 1947 Independence Day was weaved in dash. Correct answer. Gudiyatham. The flag which was flown in 1947 Independence Day was weaved in Gudiyatham. Question 6. The Indian national flag was designed by dash. Correct answer. Pingali Vengayya. The Indian national flag was designed by Pingali Vengayya. Question 7. Kanishka started the dash. Correct answer. Saga era. Kanishka started the Saga era. Question 8. The longest river in India is dash. Correct answer, River Ganges. The longest river in India is River Ganges. Question 9. The Indian rupees symbol was designed by dash. Correct answer, Udayakumar. The Indian rupee symbol was designed by Udayakumar. Question 10. The chakra of the national flag has dash spokes. Correct answer, 24. The chakra of the national flag has 24 spokes. Roman letter 3. Choose the correct answer. Question 1. The lion capital is now in the dash museum. The options are Kolkata, Sarnath. Correct answer, Sarnath. The lion capital is now in the Sarnath museum. Question 2. The national anthem was adopted in dash. The options are 1950, 1947. Correct answer, 1950. The national anthem was adopted in 1950. Question 3. Dash is declared as our national microorganism. The options are Lactobacillus rhizobium. Correct answer, Lactobacillus. Lactobacillus is declared as our national microorganism. Roman letter 4. Fill in the blanks. Question 1. Saffron, courage. White, dash. Correct answer, honesty, peace, purity. Saffron, courage. White, honesty, peace, purity. Question 2. Horse, energy, bull, dash. Correct answer, hard work and dedication. Horse, energy, bull, hard work and dedication. Question 3. 1947, Independence Day. 1950, dash. Correct answer, Republic Day. 1947, Independence Day. 1950, Republic Day. Roman letter 5. Choose the correct option. The questions are as follows. Question 1. Rabindranath Tagore. Question 2. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Question 3. Pingali Vengaiah. Question 4. Meghnad Shah. The options are national song, national flag, astrophysicist, national anthem. First we will match the following and then we will choose the option. Question 1. Rabindranath Tagore. Correct answer, national anthem. Question 2. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Correct answer, national song. Question 3. Pingali Vengaiah. Correct answer, national flag. Question 4. Meghnad Shah. Correct answer, astrophysicist. Here they have given the option A. ADBC, B. DACB, C. DABC. Correct answer, option C. DABC. Roman letter 6. Match and choose the wrong answer. The questions are as follows. Question 1. National reptile, tiger. Question 2. National aquatic animal, Lactobacillus. Question 3. National heritage animal, king cobra. Question 4. National microorganism, dolphin. We will see the answers. Question 1. National reptile, king cobra. Question 2. National aquatic animal, dolphin. Question 3. National heritage animal, tiger. Question 4. National microorganism, Lactobacillus. All are matching correctly. No wrong pair. Roman letter 7. Choose the wrong sentence. Question 1. The sentences are A. The ratio of our national flag's length and breadth is 3:2. B. The chakra has 24 spokes. C. The chakra is sky blue in color. The answer. The wrong sentence. Option C. The chakra is blue in color. The correct answer is the chakra is navy blue in color. So the wrong sentence is the option C. The chakra is sky blue in color. Question 2. The sentences are A. The national flag was designed by Pingali Vengaiah. B. The first ever flown flag after the independence is stored in Kolkata Museum. C. The first national flag was weaved in Gudiyatham. The answer is the wrong sentence. Option B. The first ever flown flag after the independence is stored in Kolkata Museum. The correct answer is the first ever flown flag after the independence is stored in Chennai Fort Museum. So the wrong sentence is Option B, the first ever flown flag after the independence is stored in Kolkata Museum. Roman letter 8, choose the correct sentence. The sentences are A. August 15 is celebrated as the Independence Day. B. November 26 is celebrated as the Republic Day. C. October 12 is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. Correct answer. The correct sentence is option A. August 15 is celebrated as the Independence Day. Roman letter 9, answer the following. Question 1. What do the colors in our national flag represent? Correct answer. The saffron band represents valor and sacrifice. The green band represents fertility and prosperity. The white band represents honesty, peace and purity. The navy blue represents truth and peace. Question 2. What are the parts of our national emblem? Correct answer. Our national emblem consists of two parts, the upper and the lower parts. The upper part has four lions facing the north, south, east and west on a circular pedestal. The lower part has an elephant, a horse, a bull and a lion. The wheel of righteousness is placed between them. Question 3. What are the salient features of the national anthem? Correct answer. Janagana Mana is our national anthem. It symbolizes the sovereignty and integrity of our nation. This anthem was written by Rabindranath Tagore in Bengali. This anthem has to be sung at a duration of 52 seconds. Everyone should stand erect while singing the national anthem. One should understand the meaning while singing. Question 4. Draw and define the Indian rupee symbol. Correct answer. The Indian rupee sign is the official currency of India. This was designed by D. Uday Kumar from Tamil Nadu in 2010. Question 5. Where do we use our national emblem? Correct answer. The national emblem is found at the top of the government communication, Indian currency and passport. Question 6. Who wrote the national pledge? Pidyamari Venkata Subba Rao wrote the national pledge. Question 7. What are the animals found in the bottom of the emblem? In the bottom of the emblem, we can see an elephant, a horse, a bull and a lion. Question 8. What are the natural national symbols? Correct answer. Banyan tree, peacock, river Ganges, river dolphin, king cobra, lotus, tiger, elephant, lactobacillus and mango. Question 9. Where is the peacock sanctuary located in Tamil Nadu? Correct answer. The peacock sanctuary is located at Viralimalai in the district of Pudukottai, Tamil Nadu. I hope this video is useful for your revision. Thank you, children.